Hello, everybody. Please remember the last time, the last moment when you received a parcel, maybe in the last week, the last days. Did it look like, on the left side of this picture, a really happy and friendly postman handing over that parcel to you, and you are happy because you received it in time, etc.? Or did it more look like, on the right side, a stressed postman being not in time, being forced to pull a lot of parcels through the city? Yeah, it would maybe look like more like on the right side. And that's why, because of the vehicles, the utilities, the infrastructure, parcel and logistic companies in cities are using today are not matching to what we have in the city. So they're using big transporter, and it does not matter if these transporters are diesel vehicles or electric vehicles. Anyway, these transporters are blocking the cities, and cities are reacting. Like on the picture on the left top side, they are closing areas of the city, which means that the postmen cannot go through your door, through the door of the company they need to deliver in the city. So they need to stop, they need to reload, they need to go to the customer, and this leads to a really highly inefficient logistic process. And cities and logistic companies, they are reacting. They are thinking about how can we solve that logistic advantage, and things like logistics vehicles, right top side, are invented and are tested in the city. So picture here is from a pilot test in Berlin, where all major companies tried out several vehicles, and in the result they found out that this process is not efficient, and that it cannot really be used for scale parcel delivery in the cities. And of course there are another more innovative solutions, like that tiny robot here, which is, I'm an engineer and I really like that solutions, but this is not the solution for the 40 million parcels delivered only in Germany every day. So we thought about how can we solve that dilemma between big parcel vehicles being too big, blocking the cities, and small vehicles like the bikes here or that tiny robot being too small to fulfill the job. We invented a vehicle and logistics system which we call duck train. Duck train consists of small semi-automated vehicles, trailers. We call them duck, and they are equipped with an electric powertrain like a bike trailer, but they are not physically coupled. So they have a small sensor and software stack in front of each of the ducks, allowing them to being coupled virtually. So you can form trains of 2, 3, maybe 4 or even 5 ducks virtually, and use them to transport the parcels into the city. And then when you, the postman, arrives in the city, you can separate them and use a single duck to do a very efficient delivery on the door. You can drive them as a pedestrian on the pedestrian sidewalk and being more efficient than using conventional transporters like today. This is how it could look like in 1 or 2 years using duck trains for transportation in cities in Germany, in Europe, and worldwide. The founder team consists of several people, 4 guys, from Aachen, from the Aachen mobility ecosystem. Cumulated, we have more than 50 years of experience in vehicle and logistics, and we have built up and set up a first generation prototype last year. We proved that the technology, the sensor, the automation technology is able to do what we need them to do, and we did not disclose that yet, but all of you are invited to contact me and have a private demo on our proving ground, our testing ground in Aachen. So what we did by now, we made the technical feasibility last year. We acquired a bit of money a few weeks ago to finance our pilot tests. This autumn, we have 3 cities in Europe this summer, this late summer, September, October, where we will have on public road pilot tests with big logistics companies, so companies like DHL, Hermes, etc. All of them are really interested and curious into that technology, and a few of them have been selected to be lead customers and test this together with us. And this summer, this winter, in late Q4, we are then striving for a first bigger financing round to give us the power to bring that vehicle in an industrial grade. My name is Kai, and together with my team, I will change the future transportation and logistics in cities. Thank you.